Welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2018 and a half Forestriver Sierra. This is the new floor plan for them called the 38FK OK. This is a front kitchen model. We'll take a few minutes, walk you around the outside and inside. On the front of the camper, you're going to see an LED light strip on the bottom, and then they also have an LED light strip that runs up each side. You have two LED lights on the very front there for your marker lights in the top corners. The cap is rounded back a little bit for better turning radius. It's got a nice fiberglass sidewall. The roof system actually rolls over the sides down toward the gutters instead of being terminated right at the top. So it's got a little nicer radius wrap up there. You have deep tent safety glass windows, two outdoor speakers. Behind this door is the hydraulics for the pump and auto level jack system. This unit was ordered with the auto level jack system. The new 18 and a half Sierras also have a drop Z frame, so this is actually taller than the earlier versions. You can kind of see the frame section where it drops down here. There's a LED light in here, TV hookups over here, and this one being at the kitchen's in the front, this is the ice maker on-off valve for that. Spare tire located in there, so it's out of the weather. You have an outside spray port and electric outlet here, along with one of your outdoor speakers. The entry door has the upgraded friction hinge on it. This one was ordered with the optional upgraded step here, and also it has the quad step in the back instead of the triple step. You'll see that when we get around there. You have a power awning, has the LED light strip built in. The porch light up above the door there, large folding entry handle. Back here you can see the mid jack area. Aluminum structure, vacuum bonded sidewalls. "16-inch wheels. You have a second entry door going into the hallway here. There's the upgraded quad step for the back side. You have the outdoor kitchen on this model. So you've got your microwave, some cabinetry, a sink here, and refrigerator. And then on the back it has the swing around grill. And down here is where you actually hook up the grill. The camper does have the full enclosed underbelly. In the outside kitchen area here, there's a couple lights here. Electric outlet there. You have a ladder going up the back. Pre-wired for backup camera. 4-inch square tube bumper, good place to store the dump hose. On the back corner you have your 10-gallon gas and electric water heater. A little bit of storage in this slide out here. This is underneath the bed area. There you can see one of the rear jacks, your dump area here. And the handles are labeled here, but they are up behind this piece of metal here. You can get to them through here. Your power cord hook up here. You do have a second dump, which is actually located over here. Because the kitchen is up front and so far away from the rest of the stuff, they had to do two dumps. The unit has a docking station, So you have your hot and cold outside utility shower, black tank flush, winterizing valves. There's a light in here, little switch, water filter, fresh water and city water hookups, bypasses, cable and satellite hookups. Some instructions here. Over here, battery disconnect, another light for this side. And you have your front hydraulic auto level jack system right there. There's instructions on how to work it here. The furnace does exhaust out right here. And if you ever need to get to it for maintenance purposes, you can go back through the storage area. Freshwater tank drain is down below. It's a little white handle sticking out down there. It does have a larger, like 1.5 inches, I think it is, drain, so it actually will drain faster than a lot of the other ones on the market. In this compartment here, we have a battery area. You could fit a couple batteries here. Inverter for the residential refrigerator. You have your stickers here for VIN numbers, production dates, tire sizes, ST 235 85 R16 F range tires. They are good for 95 PSI, it says here. Just got some basic info there. On the lights on the front of it, they actually have a switch located down here to turn them off. Inside of here you have your two 30-pound propane tanks with regulator, and over there some more storage, and you can see the power cord down there rolled up. Those are usually about 25 feet, detachable power cord. Be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest wholesale dealers in the country. Going up into the coach here, we have our weight sticker, which is 13,039 pounds dry. You also have a cargo capacity sticker here, 2,402 pounds. Up in the living room area here, you've got a nice large TV, sound bar, nice fireplace that is basically in a fancy electric heater. This flips up and you've got some storage area here. That sofa makes into a bed. Got some overhead cabinets. There's also an LED light strip above the slide out there. This sofa here reclines, has two little tables you can put, one on each side. They actually go into these little button things here. And then you have your heat and massage and lighted cup holders. And over on that side you have another sofa that makes into a bed. You have a vent up top. This is the standard vent, but they do have an option when you order it for a turbo exhaust fan there. Ceiling fan, ducted air conditioning system. Steps going up into the kitchen area, don't have carpet on them. Does have a little step light down here. On the side here, you have some storage. It's got the My RV control center here. It's got a lot of nice upgrades into this for your monitor panels, slide out, lighting control on the awning light there, leveling the jack systems and opening and closing the awning. And then the My RV part actually has some little how-to video things, you know, that you can do. It'll pull them up and play them right on the screen to show you how to work some of that stuff. Some light switches over here, and your inverter switch has the self-closing soft cabinet door hinges here. It's a nice recessed hinge, but they will actually close themselves once they get to a certain point. Pretty neat little upgrade. You have a two-person little dining area here. It's got like a little bar section so you can sit, eat, watch your TV. Island kitchen. Has the little light here. Got full extending ball bearing drawer guides. And these also have the little soft close also. This is the new Furrion oven. Has a little push button here. Turns on a light in the oven and also lights up the knobs. It's got a little bit heavier duty door than the old ovens. Also have a glass cover here that flips up. And it has a little hinge system on it to help hold it up. There is an electric outlet on both sides of the oven. Nice residential refrigerator. Has the freezer on bottom, refrigerator on top. Little storage area here. Over on the other side of the fridge, you've got some more storage down below and your 30-inch microwave here. They're currently using the LG microwave and LG refrigerator. More drawer space and storage over here. Little shelf area. Some more storage here. Got your little garbage can area, central vacuum hoses there. And you've got the solid surface countertops also. And it has a stainless sink underneath. High-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Little decorative lights up top here. Your TV antenna rotation handles right here. Going back the hallway area here, you have your electric box with your breakers and fuses right here, the optional central vac, and you have the propane leak detector. Ceiling fan switch below the digital thermostat. This has the Dometic dual zone thermostat, so you control both air conditioners right here. Got a good sized bathroom area here. Got some storage below the sink. Nice large medicine cabinet. Got the skylight up above. Does have air conditioning ducts there and a fantastic fan up there with the rain sensor. And little controls here on the wall for that. Light switch, electric outlet. Sliding glass door. You got the seat in there. Upgraded porcelain foot flush toilet. There's heat down there in the floor. This door actually slides open and you can use it as storage, or if you do a washer dryer, that is what it's really meant for. You have washer dryer hookups down there. Back into the master bedroom area here. This one was ordered with the optional king-size bed here. Overhead cabinets above the bed. Also has some lights underneath there. Again, full extending ball bearing drawer guides. There's some room to get around the bed here. Some more dresser drawers down there. This side opens here, but these two are just decoration. This is actually how you access to get to the back of the water heater if you need to. The bed does fold. This is one thing that's a little unique on this. This mattress has to fold because this is the 6-slide version. When this slide out entertainment over here comes in, the regular mattress would, just kind of hit it and damage it. So they actually put a folding mattress in here. They also do that to the 379 flock model. So that's something that's a little different. Not everybody notices. But you do have a little bit of storage up here. Got room for a nice large TV. A little bit of storage down here. Again, this is a lot of the reason for that slide out is to do that outdoor kitchen that everybody loves. Second air back here. Again, been another quick video on the Sierra camper. My name's Ray. If you have any questions or like to purchase one, we just got 3 of these in different decor colors. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203 is my direct line. Again, Ray at Couch's RV Nation.